And again, this is the light. It's called alley light. We're in an alley. That's the light and that's the door. No sign, you know what I mean? Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and this week we are coming to you from the Alley Light, which is located in Charlottesville, Virginia. Called the Alley Light for a very clear reason. It's down this dark alley, and then you got to go down through another dark alley, and there's a super bright light right in front of the door. No sign, no nothing. So obviously if you follow the GPS, it'll take you right to the light, but again, no sign, you just open the door and it's its own little world. The people here were nice enough to let me film this inside of the wine room, which is incredibly dope. I mean, it's beautiful inside here. You guys know how this works. It's 0 to 3 on appearance, 0 to 3 on first sip, 0 to 3 on overall taste, 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. Ambiance, let's jump into that first. Super chic, dark, moody, vibey kind of place, down an alley, off the beaten path. So it kind of, I mean, not kind of, it feels super, super exclusive. You either know about the place or you don't know about the place. This place came highly recommended, so I'm super glad that I found it. They also said that they do dinners in here sometimes inside the wine room, which who wouldn't want to do that? I mean, it's incredible. With that said, I'm gonna go full 1 for overall ambiance of the place of Alley Light. Let's jump into this appearance. All right, now, here we go. Price point of $12. They're using a Bulleit bourbon. Now you guys know I'm a big stickler for the single cube, big stickler for the clarified ice. No single cube. I need to ask whether or not this is clarified ice because I did one in Roanoke a few weeks ago and the ice looked pretty similar to these ice cubes, and I found out halfway through the old fashioned that it was clarified ice. So I'll find out if it's clarified ice. If it's clarified ice, that's dope. If it's not, you know, I like clarified ice. I like a single cube. So off of this appearance, nice glass, fancy little glass, I'm gonna go 2.2. If it's clarified ice, I gotta definitely bump that up to like a 2.6. But 2.2 for now, and here we go, first sip. God damn. Okay. Jesus. So I went to a place previous to this. I spoke with a bartender there, super nice guy, and he was like, you have to go to the Alley Light. I was like, all right, cool. Looked it up. It was like 7-8 minutes away. And he was like the mixologist guy there. He's on a different level when it comes to his passion and his dedication to the cocktails themselves. Incredibly smooth, perfect balance of ingredients. If you watch the year anniversary video, all the mixologists said if you mess up one ingredient by the slightest, throws the whole taste of the cocktail off. This is close to as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna go 2.9 off first sip, and here we go, overall taste. These ice cubes have not melted yet, and it was a whole process. I asked them if I could move in here. I had to move furniture around. So this drink has been sitting for at least 4 or 5 minutes, and they're still the same size. So I feel like maybe they have some kind of clarified system. I could be totally wrong, but. Shout out the wine room though, you know what I mean? Beautiful. Incredibly consistent. I'll say this, it's been a while since I don't like them too sweet, I don't like them too strong, which is why if you get the ingredients off by just a hair, you're gonna throw the sweetness and bourbon off. This tastes very similar to the John Schott, the Jeremy Ross, and the Richard Smiths that we did in Leesburg, Alexandria, and Reston / Ashburn. Very close. I don't want to keep going on and on about how great it is, but this is one of those cocktails that's dangerous because even if you're not into bourbon, you're gonna enjoy this and it's gonna go down so smooth that you're just gonna be like, that was great, let me get another one. Let me get 7 more, and then who knows what the hell happens after that, but last sip. Again, ice cubes are literally the same size. I mean, has to be some kind of clarified system that they have. I said 2.2 on appearance. I'm gonna up it to 2.6 if it's clarified. The consistency, the overall taste, I'm gonna stick to the same 2.9. So I said 2.9, that's 5.8, plus full 1 is 6.8, plus 2.2 is a 9 flat, and if this is clarified ice, it'd be a 9.4. I spoke to the owner, his name is Chris. I said, what's going on with these ice cubes? Is it clarified? And he said, we have a cold draft system. So as I said, 2.2 off appearance, but if it's clarified, 2.6. So this is a 9.4. And if this is clarified ice, 9.4 is probably the highest old fashioned we've ever had that doesn't have a single cube. That's how solid this was. And I'm not just saying that because they let me shoot in the wine room. You know, I usually shoot in the middle. I don't care where I shoot at. I shoot in the middle. I'll shoot in the restroom. I should do one. You know what? I should do an old-fashioned Friday in the restroom. That's what it is. The Alley Light, Charlottesville, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.